Hi friends, I'm Tyagaraaj. Once again, welcome to Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, we are going to see Tally Prime keyboard shortcuts. Before getting to the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Tally application we can easily operate by using keyboard shortcuts. Most of the Tally shortcut keys visible in Tally application itself. In this session, we are going to see Tally Prime hidden keys. Hidden keys we are split into three types. One is basic hidden keys. Next, hidden keys used in masters and transaction. And finally, hidden keys used in reports. Tally Prime basic hidden keys we are already covered in previous session. If you want to know, we are shared link in I button or you can find the link in description box. In this session, we are going to see Tally Prime master and transaction hidden keys. Tally application already loaded and company also selected. We are in Gateway of Tally screen. Under transaction, click on vouchers. Here we are going to post one payment transaction. By changing the date, we are going to post the transaction on 5th of July 2021. We are going to post one transaction bank payment to the party. Amount is 15,800. Next, selected against bill and mode of payment. Click on Alt-R for recall that previous ledger narration. Here we are going to edit that narration. Click on End button. Click on backspace for remove that some text in narration. Being check issued to Venkateswar Rao towards rent payable for the month of June 2021. If enter Ctrl R for recall that previous payment transaction narration. For copy that any text field, you need to press Ctrl C, normal Windows key, or we can use Ctrl Alt C, which is used in previous version Tally ERP 9. If you want to paste, press Ctrl V, or you can press Ctrl Alt V. If you want to see previous transaction, click on Page Up button. Click on Page Down for next transaction or next voucher. Here in daybook, we have selected particular period. If you want to navigate, you can use up arrow, down arrow for navigate this screen. Here, if you want to select any particular transaction, click on space bar. It will be highlighted in blue. If you want to cancel this transaction, click on Alt X. In this cancel transaction, there is no value. Voucher number retained same. Same transaction, if you want to delete permanently, you need to press Alt D. Now we are in stock journal voucher entry screen. To move manufacturing journal, press Alt V in quantity column in stock journal. Click on Ctrl D for remove that particular line item in transaction. If you want to alter ledger or stock item, click on Ctrl Enter. We are in stock item alteration secondary screen. Use tab for move next field. Click on Shift tab for go back to the previous field. Click on Alt C for create any master. It may be ledger, stock item or group. Click on Ctrl A for accept this screen. Click on Alt C for use calculator panel. Once click on enter, that calculated value will be reflected in relevant field. Click on Alt 4 or Ctrl 4 for insert base currency in amount field. For any transaction, if you want to change current date, you can type text today. By default, system date will be considered as a current date. Similarly, you can change it yesterday or tomorrow. Here you can see important shortcut key for your reference. In upcoming session, we will see Tally Prime report hidden keys. I hope we have shared some valuable information in this session. You may like this session and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing Session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.